In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. So first sign up for a Mailchimp account and set up your audience. Also make sure that you already added your contacts or integrate with your website to collect subscribers automatically. Now from your Mailchimp dashboard in the left menu, head over to campaigns, then click on the create button. Then next is select regular email, so click on the button under it. Then next choose a layout of the email you want to get started with. Now here once inside the email editor page, in the left panel, use the Mailchimp's drag and drop editor tools to design your email. You can add texts, images, buttons, and make sure that you personalize tags like the subscriber's first name to make your emails engaging. And after designing, click on Save and Exit to save this template. Now make sure that you review your email, check your subject line, and click on the preview button so you get a good look on how your email looks in the recipient's point of view. Then click on the send button at the top. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!